Greetings friends. Are you eagerly waiting to know about the various events of Buzz.8, the 8th annual inter-school literary contest conducted by Beehive Communication Club? I know you are. Let me now briefly explain about the activity or event Outlook. This event falls under level 4. The students of grades 7 and 8 can participate in this event. The event description goes this way. The participant would be given a few articles from a magazine. He or she has to design the front cover of the magazine based on the articles it encompasses. The design of the front cover of the magazine should be so meticulous that it pleases a buyer who looks at it. The design of the front cover should mandatorily include the logo, title, or the name of the magazine and the caption. It should also have the headings of all the articles that it encompasses. Coloring materials are allowed and permitted to design the front cover. A snapshot of the front cover design should be sent over WhatsApp to the number specified in the flyer for the school. Here is an important note. The participants have to include their name, class and school along with their entries while they send it over WhatsApp to the number specified in the flyer. The articles given for this event may be expected to be different for the intra-school competition and the inter-school competition. The rules of this event go this way. No modification shall be made to the essence of the news. However, different techniques can be used in the framing of the headlines and other related elements. The entire design of the front cover should fit into an A4 sheet. No designing software is allowed. The design of the front cover has to be done manually by the participant and the snapshot of it has to be sent over WhatsApp to the number mentioned in the flyer for the school. The duration of this event is 1 hour.
The targeted areas of expertise are
vocabulary, creativity, presentation and appeal. The judgment would be based on relevance, appeal, creativity, presentation and word power. Best wishes.
Here is the description for the event Jammy. In this event, 3 audio recordings, each running for a duration of 20 seconds, will be given to the participants. The participant has to listen to the audio recordings. Each audio recording will have 1 grammatical error and 1 fumble or a long pause. The participant should spot those 2 errors and give his or her justification by explaining about it in 10 seconds. For instance, if the audio recording had a sentence like this: some children were playing in the garden, the participant should say, there is a singular plural error in the sentence. Instead of children's, it should have been children, because the plural form of child is children and not children's. After giving explanation in first 10 seconds, the participant is expected to present a speech on the topic of the recording for 20 seconds. If the participant is not able to find any error, that participant should not present a speech on the topic for the next 20 seconds. Instead, they should move on to the next audio recording. For example, I am not able to find any error in audio 1. Let me move on to the second audio. A video recording of spotting the errors and providing explanation for 10 seconds and presenting a speech on the topic for 20 seconds has to be recorded for all 3 audios and sent to the WhatsApp number mentioned in the flyer for the school. Please don't forget to send your name, class and school along with your video recording. Otherwise, your entry will not be taken for judgment. Here are the rules. The speech has to be relevant to the recording. A video encompassing all 3 sets of videos has to be sent. Just talk continuously. For instance, in the first audio, this is the error and this is the explanation. Then present the speech. Then I move on to the second audio. This is the error, this is the speech. Move on to the third audio. This has to be done in a single attempt. One video containing the errors and explanation and speech for all 3 audios have to be sent. No editing is allowed. Only the raw footage has to be sent to the WhatsApp number mentioned in the flyer for your school. The duration is 1 minute 30 seconds. Jammy focuses on grammar, vocabulary, spotting of errors, presence of mind. The judging criteria go this way: ability to spot the errors, explanation of errors, the content of the speech, grammar, gestures and tone. Show the grammatical correctness to the world. Participate to win. All the best.
I'm here to tell you about the event Challenging Ads. This event is for level 4, which means students from 7th and 8th standard can participate in this event. In this event, you have to choose and advertise a defective product given and present a speech as you are persuading someone to buy that product. The list of the products shall be given to you well ahead of the contest. The defect in the product has to be highlighted by you. You may creatively mention that as an advantage in a different dimension. A video recording of you presenting the speech should be sent to the WhatsApp number specified in the flyer for your school. For example, assume that you have got a roofless house as your product. You have to present a speech highlighting the attractive features of a roofless house. You may say, you can enjoy the galaxy of stars and moon from this roofless house. Free ventilation is guaranteed. You have to send your name, school and class along with your entry to the WhatsApp number specified in the flyer for your school. Let me tell you the rules of this event. Only the raw footage has to be sent to the WhatsApp number. Editing is not allowed. The duration for this event is 1 minute. The targeted area of the expertise are persuasion and public speaking. The judging criteria go this way: creativity, voice modulation and intonation, grammar, body language and appeal. Friends, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. So work hard from this moment to bring home the crown. Wish you all success. Thank you everyone.